everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick DIY and just kind of an idea to show you what you can do when you have birthday parties and give your goodie bags. Of course, you can give in any kind of things. Like I like to have themed candy bar, candy table, and candy bags to give to the kids in the party, along with the table centers. If you haven't watched the table centers video, please go ahead and watch that one. For today's video, the goodie bags, I got these goodie bags from the dollar store. It's really convenient when you find goodie bags in a pack. These were 3. I did get them on the Valentine's theme, so it does have 3 gift bags, and this kind of like the paper bags and are the ones that have little handles, and I loved it because the theme is going to be Cabbage Patch, and it's pink for Layla's first year. So the first one here has hearts, then we have here one like plated pink and blue, really pretty, and then one polka dot and hearts as well. I like this one because there's 3, $1. You cannot go bad with one. I've seen in the 99-cent store they have like single color ones, and they have even more for like maybe $3. So it's really nice and convenient for you to have when there's packs like this. And you can definitely give the candies just like this in these little baggies. They open up to be a good size, so you can put anything that you want, from like a juice bag box, a bag of chips, and a few of candies, and it's a good size. Look at this. And to make it more nice and personalized, I have ordered a few stickers from Vistaprint, and I have gotten this ones, which has the little Cabbage Patch. Of course, you can personalize this. It's happy first birthday, Layla, right on the sides, and the date. And I also have, I did actually have to crop this from an actual napkin. I did a couple of Photoshop kind of thing. And then I also have their logo from the Cabbage Patch and Layla's first birthday. I did not add the date to that because it was already crowded. So to personalize your goodie bags from being super simple like this, you can voila, personalize it, stick the sticker in there, Cabbage Patch Kids, Layla's first birthday, or like this one where I have included the bigger sticker, which is Layla. And on this one, it has the other pink one as well. And now your goodie bags are more than ready to be personalized. It looks more into theme. Some people do save it. I save them. I like to have things like this. I love that it also had the handles in different colors. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but this is purple, blue, and pink. Now, since I don't have a lot of stickers, I would only put them in the girls' bags, because I'm also going to put a certain candy that is only for girls. It's like a little, it's like a lollipop that looks like lips that I got at the dollar store. But it's very easy. You can even, I don't know, like grab a Sharpie and actually like write Layla's or whatever's date first birthday. It makes it really personalized and fun to have some things like this, and having a sticker. If you don't have like a personalized, or you don't want to spend a little bit of money personalizing your stickers, you can obviously like buy a sticker sheet from the dollar store and put, like if it was like Elena Bubbler birthday party, you can add the little sticker here. I would also like to make it pop out even more when the stickers are this small. I would probably like cut out a circle or like a white canvas, and then add the sticker here, and then add that to the top, and it'll look more popped out and more themed like. So it's very easy to make your own personalized, not not expensive. I don't remember. I think I had like 3 ships or 12 or like 20 of these and 20 of these, and I paid like around $5 for these. But then I also, besides using them for my goodie bags, I also use them for the table centers. If you haven't watched the video, please do so. I actually put a sticker right on the bottom, and then I put a sticker right here that I laminated. So it's not that I just used it for these. I will also put the stickers in some of the things that I will be using in the table center, like little baskets or things like that. So I'll be using for that. But you can also, like, if you were to buy just goodie bags that are like this, you just find the particular color, the loot bags. Or they also had this at the dollar store at the Valentine's section. I don't know, they're gonna have that no more because Valentine's already passed. But it says "You're sweet," and it's this little Ziploc baggies that are really convenient. You can put a few candies in there. They're zipped and they won't fall. And it has 40 of them, so that's really nice. 40 of them for $1 is really, really good. Unlike the loot bags, which are only 25. I use these for the pinata because they get their goodie bags with different candies that the pinata has, and then they can get their candies that they pick up from the pinata in one of these loot bags, and they can just keep both. This one I'll be using for something else, but yeah. It's really easy to make your loot bags a little bit more personable. Remember to get like these baggies or smaller ones in packs, like from the dollar store, like this one, 3. This little idea. Hopefully you guys like it. Comment down below if I brought you back to your nostalgic Cabbage Patch moment. And other than that, that is all that I have for you today. Hopefully you guys like this video, and comment down below. Do you have a Cabbage Patch? Bye bye.